Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Wealth Unlimited. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about a multi-bagger stock to buy right now. This is my personal portfolio stock and I have been investing in this company from last 2 years. The stock is in the discount price of 20% from its top level and I believe that the company can show massive returns from the current market price. So before starting the video, if you are new to this channel, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and do like this video. The company which I'm talking about is DMart. Yes, if you are from South India, especially from Mumbai or Bangalore, then definitely you must know about the DMart and their business models. You have also been to DMart supermarkets where they own the land and they utilize the cost to reduce the product price. I believe that this company can eventually do great as they are expanding their business across the country. Now, what does DMart sell? DMart sell basically the essential products which are used in home, and they have been expanding across the country with opening new stores across Mumbai, Gujarat, Punjab, Hyderabad and Tamil Nadu. Now, they are selling grocery staples, daily essentials, DMart brands, bed linen, luggage and whatnot. They have been successfully established themselves among the country and they are a very strong moat company. Looking at the financials of the DMart, you will see that the current market price for the company is 4,303 rupees and the market capitalization for the company is 2,78,919. Again, not a huge market cap, and I can possibly see a very huge growth from the current market price as well as the market cap for the company. The company made a low of 3,185 and currently trading at 4,303, roughly 20% correction from the top levels. That's why I believe that this particular company is currently standing at the margin of safety and the risk or reward is favorable. Stock PE is 137, which is on the higher side, but I believe as the company is doing expansion and moving forward, eventually their revenues and profits gonna rise, and which will definitely cater to lowering their PE score in coming future. Talking about the pros of the company, the company is debt free, and by owning a land, they don't have to pay rent for the land where their supermarkets are, which makes it one of a kind of the model. They have their competitors like Trent from Tata. They have Future Group also coming into this business, and I believe that nobody can come and capture the market like DMart they have done in coming future. Now, talking about the balance sheet of this company, you will see the sales of the DMart has continuously been rising since June 2019, where they were doing a sales of 5,815 crore and now they're doing a sale of 10,038 crore rupees. You're looking at the net profit, their profit has been growing exponentially, and in last 3 years they were able to double the profit to 643 crore in June quarter of 2022. Again, the company is debt free, which makes it prone to the interest rate hikes by the RBI or the central banks in coming future, which additionally will pay an advantage to them in reducing their operating cost as well. Going ahead, you will see the shareholding pattern of this particular company, where promoters has been maintaining a stake of 74.99. The FIs has been maintaining a stake roughly around 8.8 to 9%, and the DIs has been increasing their stake since September 2019. Now, one of the promising ace investor of India, Mr. Radhakishan Damani, also hold the shares of Avenue Supermart, and I believe, and he also believe in a very strong moat company like DMart, which can eventually do much better in coming years. Looking from the chart point of view, you will see that I have already drawn support levels and the resistance level for the company, and in the company is going to present their result tomorrow, where you can plan whether you like this company fundamental financials or whether you like the business model of the company or not. The company first support is roughly around 4,200 to 4,150, where you can plan to invest. Even I believe that the current market price is not bad to invest in this particular company. In short term period, the company can eventually show you a target of 4,600, and if it breaks the level of 4,600, then definitely the stock can go up to the level of 5,000 in coming days. The company has been consolidating and has been on a sideways run from last couple of months, and you will see that the chart pattern is similarly like this, and again it has been a total sideways momentum for the stock. If it breaks the level of 3600, there are chances a breakout might happen and the company price soar from here. Now the targets I have given, and if you are even planning to do SIP, then definitely you should think about doing SIP in this high growth stock, and eventually it will give you a massive returns in coming future. If you're someone who can take a little bit of risk, then definitely Infosys DMart should be a company which should be a part of your portfolio as well. Recently I have given a call related to the Infosys. I'll show you through the video where I have talked about buying Infosys and how I am adding Infosys before result. You can listen. Discuss about the best IT stock to buy right now. Yes, this is the stock which is currently standing at the margin of safety, and I have been adding this stock in my portfolio from last 2 months. So before starting the video, if you're new to this channel, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and do like this video. The stock which we are going to discuss is Infosys. Yes, it is the second largest information technology company in India, and I believe that this company can show massive growth in coming future. They have their revenues coming from the digital services, which is roughly 57%. So here we discussed about the Infosys share in like last 5 days only. I uploaded this video on 11th October. And today the Infosys share was up by 4% and they showed their result yesterday only. I believe that most of the negative news are factored in the IT stocks, whether talking about KPIT Technologies, TCS. I have been continuously making videos. Please look at the margin of safety concept where you see the value in the stock, where risk and reward ratios are in your favor, and look after those companies, look at their businesses, and if you believe in such companies, do investments. This is not a financial advice, and if you are planning to invest in any company, please do your own due diligence and look into the company financials, look into the company and take your financial advisor help. I hope I was able to give you a good overview of a DMart company, and if you like the video, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and do like this video. Thank you.